Good morning, children. Welcome back to this session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Kuruvayur after a short interval. I hope all of you have done well in your assessments. Okay, now we have refreshed what we have learned in the previous classes, isn't it? Now, I hope all of you are ready with your multiplication tables. It is very important to know the multiplication tables when you are learning multiplication. So children, today we are going to learn how to multiply a 4-digit number with 1-digit number. But before that, we need to remember how we used to multiply a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay, so just let us revise and see how to multiply them. Let us take a number 25 into 3. How do we multiply this? First multiply 3 into 5. Okay, so 3 into 5 will give you 50. 3 into 5 will give you 50. 5 is placed in the ones place and 1 is carried over to the tens place. Okay, now multiply 3 into 2. What is 3 into 2? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. And 6 is added to the 1 in the tens place. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So this is how we multiply a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number. So I hope you remember that now. Let us go for another example. Let us multiply the number 45 into 3. First let us multiply the digits in the ones place. Now 3 into 5 will give 15. Now, there are 15 ones and so it is grouped as 110 and 5 ones. Now, 110 is carried over to the tens place and 5 is placed in ones place. So, next we have to multiply the digit in tens place. So, multiply 4 with 3 and 4 into 3 will give you 12. So now there are 12 tens. Now 12 tens plus 1 10 will give you 13 tens. Okay. Now let us regroup the number 13. 13 tens is equal to 100 and 3 tens. Okay. So we can write 3 in the tens place and 1 is written in the hundreds place. So, we have got the answer as 45 into 3 is equal to 135. So, that's it children. Now, let us see how to multiply a 3-digit number with 1-digit number. Yes. Now, first what we have to do? Yes, you have to multiply 6 with the digit in the ones place. What is 6 into 2? Yes, it is equal to 12. So, 2 is placed in the ones place and 1 is carried over to the tens place. Now, what we have to do? Yes, you have to multiply 6 with 7 which is in the tens place. So, 6 into 7 is equal to 42. And 42 plus 1 will give you 43. 43. So 3 is placed in the tens place and 4 is carried over to the hundreds place. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply 6 with the number in the hundreds place. 6 into 4. What is 6 into 4? 6 into 4 is equal to 24. And it is added to 4. So 24 plus 4 will give you 28. Okay. So we have to write here 28. So 472 into 6 will give you 2832. So I hope you remember how you have done the multiplication of a 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Now let us see one more example. Let us multiply the number 672 with 7. First, let us multiply
the digit in the ones place. So 7 is multiplied with 2. Okay, so 7 into 2 will give you, yes, it is 14. Okay, so 14 is regrouped as 1, 10 and 4 ones. So it is written in this way. Okay, now let us multiply 7 with 7. We have to multiply 7 with 7. What is 7 into 7? Yes, it is 49. So 49 tens plus 1 10 will give you 50 tens. So there are 5 hundreds and 0 tens. So let us write it in this way. Okay. Now let us multiply the digit 6 with the number 7. So 6 into 7 is equal to 42. So there are 42 hundreds. Now 4200 plus 500 will give you 47 hundreds. Now if we regroup them, it is equal to 4700s. So 672 into 7 is equal to 4704.
The same method is used to multiply a 4-digit number with 1-digit number. Let us consider an example. 6, 3, 4, 5 into 3. This is a 4-digit number. Now let us multiply 3 with the digit in the ones place. 3 into 5 will give you 15, isn't it? So 5 is placed in the ones place and 1 is carried to the tens place. Now multiply 3 with the number in the tens place. 3 into 4 is equal to 12 and 12 plus 1 will give you 30. Now place 3 in the tens place and 1 is carried to the hundreds place. Now multiply 3 with 3 which is in the hundreds place. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 and 9 plus 1 will give you 10. Okay, now place this 0 in the hundreds place and 1 is carried to the thousands place. Now multiply 3 with 6 in the thousands place. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So the answer is 19,035. This is how we multiply a 4-digit number with 1-digit number. Now let me show you another example of multiplying a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. So you remember how we have to do it? Yes. First we have to multiply 4 with a digit in ones place. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So 4 is written here and 2 is carried to the tens place. Next multiply 4 with the digit in tens place. What is 4 into 5? Yes, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 20 plus 2 will give you 22. So write 2 in tens place and the other 2 is carried to the hundreds place. Now multiply 4 with the digit in hundreds place. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So 12 plus 2 will give you 40. So 4 is written in the hundreds place and then 1 is carried to the thousands place. Now 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 16 plus 1 will give you 17. So the answer is 17,424. I hope you have understood how to multiply a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Isn't it, children? So that was also very easy, isn't it? So practice more problems on 4-digit numbers and learn it well. Okay? Go through the YouTube video which I have attached in this session and also write on the notes and do the exercises in the text also. Okay? We shall meet in the next class again. Till then, goodbye.